Okay, we're going to check out how to do a ticket jam in the Skeeball. First of all, you'll check out that that's not correct. I'll show you how to replace that. That one's taken off like it's not supposed to be, and that one's on help. Both these ones and this one is on help. You're going to take your white key right here, throw it in. Always make sure you don't jab up the thing. So what we're looking at right here is, this is normal. This is actually all good. What you don't notice is the fact that this has a really crappy optic mech, and there's supposed to be 2 blackboards. What you need to do is you need to make sure that this white thing, I will be replacing this very soon, but there's a white mech, not mech, but a white thing. And you need to make sure that that's in here gets over the top. Now fix this. However, we're going to go and pretend that we're fixing this stupid game. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy right here, and we're going to take this one out. So let's say there's a bunch of crumpled tickets up in this top part, like up in here, and we can't get to them. That's so hard. So we're going to take this guy, we're going to pry this guy apart, and we're going to lift up, slide it out. So now we have this guy right here. We're going to use this as a tool. Now, we still have all these tickets. You can't really pull on them because that might make it worse. So we're going to take this part right here, this top part right here. We're going to pull them together, which releases the motors. You can pull back the tickets as much as you want. If they start tearing at that point, that's fine. Make sure they don't fall on the mech as much. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take it out. On this model, there is a black button right there. So there's the black button. Whoa. Just give me a second, I'm killing this machine. Okay, so we have this black button right here, which turns the mech on. If you reverse this little polarity, like so, the game will reverse the motors. So you want to have it always set to this one after you're done doing anything. Very important. Now let's say that your game does not come with that one. You want to push out the tickets. Grab your handed in keys. So I have this. And you're going to go to, I think it's this one. You're going to, nope, it's not that one. These 2 right here. You're going to take the metal part and push it between this transistor. Right there. It's one of these 2. It's this one right here. And that'll start it up as well. So it's like your bypass for your Mac in case you don't have a button. Now, you gotta make sure these are jingly. I'm gonna throw this back together. But this one specifically, remember to put this on the lip, and this one's all good. Okay, you're going to take this guy. Remember, see how this has this flap, curves up and down? You're going to have it lip out. So this one's always facing down, this one is always facing downwards. So you're going to get this one, it's going to face upwards so the tickets can go through. You're going to put this in, kind of angle it a little bit, and then, because you can't really do much, you're going to pry apart these guys a little bit with your hands. You can see push. So you push these apart like that, and you're going to aim for these little tiny holes that are in here, like right down in here. But each one has one. Aim for it, and at that point, once they're lined up, make sure this is all wiggly, and you're good to go. Feed your tickets back through, and then remember to either pull this or push the button to get them all the way through. Just remember that they go through the optic sensor. Since I don't have the optic sensor working on this guy, you can see there's one right there. The other one above it does not work, so I'm going to look at that. Remember to have this tab, it's right up in here. Remember to have it pushed on the ticket. If it's not pushed on the ticket, it will not be good because it won't push into the optic sensor. Remember to do that, and you should be good to go. Always check for your game to have 9 balls. When you're done, go up to the top up here. And there's the plug. Unplug it. And then plug it back in. And then after it resets, you should be good to go. Same thing with this one, which I'm going to work on as well. Always align everything up, make sure they're in the holes correctly. You should be good. Okay, see you guys.